Hey superstars, in today's video I will be teaching you the proper way to give yourself a scalp hot oil treatment. After the winter, your hair really needs to breathe and it needs to get moisturized, and the best way to moisturize your whole head is to get to that scalp. So if you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned and I will show you right after this.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, it's your girl Malika, aka Ms. Magic. Today I will be showing you how to do a proper hot oil treatment on your scalp. I am transitioning from a silk press into my natural hair. For you all that don't know me, from May to, I want to say October, I wear my hair natural because I live in Chicago and it gets hot. From, you want to say October, the end of October till the end of April, I wear my hair silk press. So that is a lot of heat, blow drying, manipulation of the hair. So my scalp is screaming right now. The winter is over with. So before I can go and transition over to being a natural, you really want to give your hair a nice hot oil treatment. So today I'm going to show you the proper way to do that. So guys, if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for coming to my channel. If you like this video, you can check out some more of my other videos. I hope you stay and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can see whenever I drop a new video. And if you are returning, welcome back, my superstars. I want all of you all to enjoy this video. So let's get started. So today for our hot oil treatment, I will be using Righteous Growth hair oil. And this is a great growth serum. I don't know if you all can see this. My girl out of Chicago, Ashley Rochelle, formulated this wonderful scalp treatment, and everybody has been getting such great results. I'm talking about people's edges growing back, people's hair growing down their back. So this is made with 100% pure essential oils, jojoba, rosehip seed, castor tea tree, and more. So let's get started on doing a hot oil treatment on our hair. First of all, I'm gonna take this hair down. So I'm gonna show y'all a picture of or a video of how my hair looks when it's silk pressed. It's usually very beautiful. Under here, it's not beautiful. So let's check it out. I've been working out. I've been doing other things. So it's gonna be a hot mess, but that's okay because we're gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right. So let's take this down. Yes, it is nasty. It's half straight, half curly. I don't even think I can get my fingers through it. Oh, jeez. Look at that. Yeah, it's a mess, y'all. But that's okay. We're going to take care of it. Okay, so this is somewhat what my hair looks like when it is straight. And like I said, I have been wearing a silk press for 6 months. So I do have a lot of hair memory loss, not curl pattern memory loss. So you're gonna see my hair is like a big afro, and then it's gonna have straight ends. I don't call that heat damage because my hair is not heat damaged. It's just I done lost my memory pattern, my curl memory pattern. My hair is not damaged. It's very healthy. All right, let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you all how to heat up the oil. But guys, before you heat up the oil, we gotta wash all this dirt. If your hair is not clean, before you do your hot oil treatment, you must wash your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wash my hair with Aussie shampoo. I'm not gonna condition it right now because the hot oil treatment is a conditioner. So yeah, make sure your hair is washed, and then when I'll come back with my hair washed, and then we'll heat up the oil. All right guys, once you've washed your hair, you're gonna take, depending on your oil bottle size, and you really can use any type of liquid oil that you want. They have so many different kinds in the store. I can't think of Wonder 8 oil is a good oil. any kind of tea tree oil, but be careful with tea tree because it can be kind of strong and your scalp will get to tingling. Something with tea tree in it is best, but like I said, we're going with the Righteous Growth Oil, and I will link where you can buy this on her website in my description box below. So what you're going to do is, depending on your size of bottle, I just have a small bottle, so a nice little small cup will do. Fill that up, not fill it up, but fill it a quarter of size, because once you put the bottle in, the water's going to rise. So if your bottle is tall, you can get a taller glass, and just fill the glass up 1/3 to 1/4 of the way. It's already hot water in here, so we're going to microwave it again for maybe like a minute, one more minute, to get it nice and hot. All right, so we're going to let that water heat up, not to boiling, but almost boiling. All right, once you let that heat up for about a minute, you're going to take it out. Mine got kind of hot, but that's okay. So you're going to let your oil sit in the hot water. You just place the oil. Never put the oil directly in the microwave because you don't want cooking oil on your hair like you're frying chicken. You just want to warm this up for a couple of minutes. So you put it in there, just like that, and let it sit for a couple of minutes, and the oil will heat up fairly quickly. So let's head on back to the room so we can get started on the hot oil treatment. Like I said, let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes before we get started. Okay guys, once our oil is all heated up for 2 to 3 minutes, make sure you have a plastic cap before we begin, because once you get the oil on your scalp, you're going to want to let that sit. And if you have a under the hood dryer, it's best to do that, and that way we can sit for like 10 minutes. But if you do not have a hooded dryer, just leave the cap on for about 20-30 minutes. Okay, let's take our hair down. As you can see, like I told y'all, I was gonna have a big fro. So let's just comb it to the back. Got my towel, but I guess I'll be all right. All right, so what we're gonna do is part it off into 4 sections. The best way I know how. Alright, and so here's our oil. It's been sitting in the water. So what you want to do, depending on how hot your oil got, you want to test your oil. Make sure you test it on your hand first. Make sure it's not too hot so it won't burn you. Oh, I forgot to take the dang on tube out. Hold on. All right, guys, through the magic of television, I got me some clips and my towel, but I don't think I'm gonna need my towel. All right, let's clip our hair into 4 sections, as I was saying. Okay, and I was saying that we need to test our oil. So once you take it out of the hot water, put it on your, I already did it, but I'm gonna do it again. Put it on your palm to feel it, to see how hot it is. Okay, it's nice and warm. And basically you're gonna, most of them come with nozzles. If it doesn't, then you need to get, if it's just like a pour bottle, you need to get you like one of those tinting bottles that has the nozzle on it and pour the oil into that. But since this already has it, we're gonna get started. And you just basically go in all your parts, and it's gonna feel real good putting it on. I'm just gonna finger through my parts, starting with this section. Just on your scalp, up in there, rub it in. Cut off another section. Rub it in. Cut off another section. Okay, ooh, that feels so good. Put a little on your hairline, especially if you are missing your edges. It's good to put it on that hairline, honey. Get it in there. All right, and so that's one section. And now you're gonna just go ahead and do that to the rest of your hair. Oh, and guys, I'm not doing the oil all on my hair because I am about to do a wash and go, so I don't want all of that gook plus a bunch of oil in my hair. I'll be using a different kind of oil for that. So, but if you're not doing a wash and go and you just want this all over your hair, feel free to just put some in your hair. Don't fully saturate your hair with oil, or you'll have oil in your hair for weeks. Just put a little bit in, and just, you can do your praying hands and put it in your hair. But I'm not doing that today. This is scalp only. So let's get up on this back. Same thing, part your back out and put it all in your parts. Okay guys, once you have gotten it all in your scalp, now you're going to take your fingertips. And you're going to take your fingertips and massage the oil. Massage your temples. This stimulates growth. So you've already got the good oils in your hair. By massaging the oils in, this is very important to stimulate your scalp. Get in there, get all up in there. Stimulate that front scalp. Oh my goodness, that feels so good. Just your fingertips. You're only using your fingertips. Do not use your nails if you have nails. Just the balls of your fingertips. Massage that in. 5 minutes should be good. 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure you do that back. I still got a clip in my head. How do I still have a clip in my head? Massage that. Get up in this middle part. Massage that for a couple of minutes. I mean, literally, you're going to put yourself to sleep doing this. Just the fingertips, people. Just the fingertips. This right here will stimulate massive growth. Trust me. The back. Yep. Get in there real good. All right. And health. It stimulates growth and healthiness of your hair. Okay, once you have done that, take your plastic cap, put your cap on your head, and I'm going to sit under the dryer for 10 minutes. Like I said, if you do not have a hooded dryer, you can use your blow dryer and just blow dry it all over, or you can just sit longer for like 20 minutes. Make sure your oil is warmer. All right, let's go to the dryer. All right, guys, so we're gonna sit under the dryer for 10 minutes, and while I'm doing that, I will just check on my YouTube stats.
Girls love cookies.
Feel me? Yeah, yeah. She my peanut butter jelly snack. Pull it, ride, busky, painting. That's my sunshine when it's raining. That's my boo, yeah, yeah. When I'm all alone, she pull through. So when I catch that wave, we gon' move. But then again, we probably won't. Cause I know she like to stay at home. And she probably gon' shoot me dead before the devil try to take my soul. Yeah, I call that love TKO. This thing here way too cold. We gon' shine like a pot of gold. If you didn't know, now you know. Feel me? Don't ask me how I been, how I do. Please don't bring your friends, they not cool. Yeah. When you on the way.
Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes. And that is how you give yourself a hot oil treatment. Okay. So now we are going to wash the oil out with whatever shampoo you want. And feel free to lightly condition it. I'm not going to condition mine because I'm about to do like a little wash and go. So you see the oil has saturated your scalp and gotten on your hair. So go ahead and do a light shampoo and you're good to go. Okay, superstars, so I hope you enjoyed this video of how to properly give yourself a scalp hot oil treatment. If you like this video, once again, please subscribe, comment below, hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted to when I do upload a new video. So once you finish your hot oil treatment, you can style your hair per usual, how you want to style it, whether you wear it natural. You could do a hot oil treatment with your hair relaxed. You can do a hot oil treatment natural, silk press, whatever. But you should do your hot oil treatment maybe every 4 to 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks at best. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
This ain't